Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download the Google Play Store on your Windows PC or laptop guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. You can install any apps from the Google Play Store on your computer guys using the free app called BlueStack. For download it, open a browser, search for BlueStacks and now you just need to click on this BlueStack 5. Click on download BlueStacks. After getting download done, click on it and install it guys. Click on install now and install it. After opening BlueStacks, click on system apps, click on Play Store, click on sign in and sign in up guys. After logging your account, you can search Clash of Clans. You can play COC or PUBG or any mobile games you can play in your emulator version of BlueStacks guys, and you can download it and play it. For example, I'm gonna download it PUBG. Click on the install option and download it guys. After that, click on it and you can play it guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.